Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know. My background is different again. I rearranged this room again. I'm still trying to make it work for me. I think I got it though. I think this is what I like. So this should hopefully be the background that you guys will see for a while. This is my February BoxyCharm unboxing, and if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I do these every month, and next month is BoxyLux. I'm super excited to share that with you guys, so I can't wait. But the way that I do my unboxings is I will open everything up, show you guys what I got first, and then in the other half of this video, I will demonstrate how the products work. So if you're here just to see what's in the box, let's go ahead and get into it. When you open up the box, this is kind of like a smaller box this month, but the products in here, pretty excited. The theme is Afterglow. But the first thing in the box here is the No Pore Blem Primer by Touch and Soul. It looks like this. It's a pretty big bottle. Most of these products are full size. This retails for $18, and it's just a primer that is supposed to fill in your pores and wrinkles and gives your skin a soft velvet feel. Next thing in the box is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I am so excited to try this because I have the Pharmacy Green Cleansing Balm thing. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's a cleansing balm by Pharmacy, and I got it, I think I got it actually in a FabFitFun box. I actually do those as well on my channel, so if you like those. So my FabFitFun unboxing will be coming soon. I haven't received my box yet, but I'm sure it'll be coming very soon. But anyways, I got that in a FabFitFun box, and I am obsessed with that. That was the first thing I ever tried by Pharmacy, so I have high hopes for this. I'm excited to try that. This has 3.4 ounces and it retails for $22. Next thing in the box right here is a lip product by Tristique. I've actually gotten Tristique before. I don't remember if it was in BoxyCharm or FabFitFun. I always get those mixed up with some of the products that I get. This is like a maroon deep burgundy shade. It is the shade English Rose. It's a prime and color lip glaze, and at the bottom when you open it up there's like a little primer thing. I've tried products from Tristique before and they're always just kind of like subpar for me. I do really like their packaging though. The top is like magnetic, which is pretty cool. This retails for $25. I'm actually really surprised that something like this costs that much. That's kind of a lot for a lip product. All right, so the next thing in the box, super excited about. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Wow, this packaging is like really improved. It seems like way heavier than the last time that I've had it. It retails for $24. I've tried this before. I really love this mascara a lot, so I'm glad we got it in the box. Last thing in the box is a Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I'm not sure which one's the name. I don't know if Shimmering Swan is the name or Glow Up is the name. This retails for $32. And the shade looks like this, and I'll just do a quick little swatch. Ooh, it's like peachy with like gold. I think that I'm gonna like that. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box, and the overall retail value for my box is $125, and you pay $21 for the month. Always super worth it in my opinion. I love BoxyCharm. It always lets me try some awesome products that I've never bought before, and brands that I've always wanted to try, like Pretty Vulgar, and I've never tried them, but get to in this box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the products, and let's see how they work on the face. So we're gonna go ahead and start out with the primer. It's very like, it kind of smells like a grandma perfume. It's got a really strong scent. I don't know if it's gonna stay on the face or not. Like, I kind of like the smell, but it's kind of strong. Can't really decide if I like it or I hate it. It's supposed to be good for blurring, so let me just see. I mean, I see some blurring, but not like a crazy amount. I guess I'll have to see how foundation goes on top to see if it really looks really nice and blurring, but so far it's just like, eh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. I do think that my skin looks smooth, but it's not anything like I said, it's not anything like super extravagant or anything. But I just think it's working. So I'm taking my makeup off because I'm redoing it. I just tried to, I don't know if you guys saw my last video or not, but I did a wear test on the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer and Foundation Stick that just came out. And I really did not like the concealer in that video. And I was like, okay, well maybe I should try it again with not using the foundation stick and using a foundation that's not as drying. And I just tried it again and it looks so bad. It's so drying, and like other products just don't sit well on top of it. I don't know what it is, but it looked absolutely horrible. I'm gonna redo my primer, and I'm just mentioning that in case you guys saw my last video. I tried it again and I don't like it. Finished up some of my makeup. Now it's time to move on to the next product. The next thing I'm gonna try out is the highlighter by Pretty Vulgar. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to try it because it's just like such a really pretty like peachy gold highlight. I really hope that it looks good. Oh, I really like this. It's not like the absolute most blinding thing in the whole world, but it is my kind of highlight. Like this is the kind of highlight that I really like. I'm also gonna put some of this on my eyes. Oh wow, I really like that on the eye. That is so pretty. I really like how this makeup is turning out. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I really like this highlighter. Alright, next we're gonna go ahead and do the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I already know I'm gonna love this because I've tried it before and I'm just like really excited to have it again. I will say that it's been a while since I've tried this mascara, and it still is a really good mascara, but I do feel like there are some that have came out that are really amazing, and I have some really awesome like drugstore ones that work so good and actually a little bit better than this, although this is still really good. I just don't think that it's worth the price anymore. Alright, so there's one eye with the mascara. You can definitely like see the difference. It's nice and volumizing and also curling at the same time. So it's a really good mascara. I like really like it a lot. The last product to try out is the Tristique lip product and with the primer inside. So I have no idea what this is all about. Honestly, this just feels like a lip balm. It's just a lip balm. It does kind of like, it does twist up and there's more product in there. That's kind of cute. Alright, let's try this out. I'm really interested to see if this is going to be like fully pigmented or if it's going to be more sheer. Definitely sheer. Oh, it's really sheer. I'm not feeling this. Okay, that looks so much different than what I thought it was going to look like. Actually, you know what? This kind of looks almost like a lip stain. So it's really actually kind of not too bad now that I'm looking at it as a whole. I don't know. Like, do I like this or do I not like this? I wish it was a different color. I wish it was more like a nude, you know, or like more of a red kind of color. It looks nice, feels great. Definitely a good kind of product to like put in your purse. Is it worth $26? $25? No, not worth $25. Alright, so the last thing to try is the cleanser, and I'm actually not going anywhere, so I totally put on all this makeup for no reason. I'm gonna use this later and then I will show you guys how it works. I just cleaned off all of my makeup and used the Pharmacy Clean Bee cleanser. I really like it. I really like it. And it's pretty awesome. I do think I'm gonna like this. It didn't burn my eyes at all. It does smell like honey, but it's not like overwhelming honey. It's not sticky. It's very like nice and smooth, and my face feels really clean. Like just so nice and smooth, and I really like these pharmacy products. Like I want to try more because they definitely are doing it right when it comes to like cleaning the face off. This is pretty awesome. I'm super excited about it. Alright guys, so that is everything in the box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you are looking to purchase BoxyCharm, it's totally worth it in my opinion. And like I said, I do these every month, so if you like these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!